this is the Focus Plus card. This is your identity card for Focus Plus. This will be given to all 4.5 lakh members throughout the state as the registration happens. And this has your name and your identity number. And as I mentioned, that this is a card on the basis of which every year 5,000 rupees will go into your personal account. And 5,000 will be going into the group account. But the group account will be used by the whole group. All of you, that is included yourself. But this is that personal card. Once you get this card, 1,000 rupees will go immediately into your account to show that you are now registered under Focus Plus. And then on different dates, we will be having large programs where, as the registrations take place, we will be then transferring the rest of the 4,000 rupees into your account. So all of them who are getting this card today will get 1,000 today, and 4,000 rupees will go into your account on the 5th of December. The first program is on 5th of December. Till now, we have about 70,000 people who have registered under Focus Plus. So we expect to touch about 90,000 by 5th December. So on the 5th of December, 90,000 people will get 4,000 rupees into their account in one day. That is almost 36 crores will be transferred to all these 90,000 beneficiaries in one day itself. So this is how Focus Plus will work. And I'm sure that the members will later on explain to you all the details. But this card is important, so please keep it safe. Thank you very much.